Yes. Hello, Amit. Welcome. You got a job in a Capgemini, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. So many congratulations. So many congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You you are my first student who got a job in a Capgemini. So no one placed till now in a Capgemini. But in different company, my student have placed already. But in a Capgemini, you are my first student. So many congratulations to you, Amit, and thank you so much for doing the great job. Great
Thank
job.
you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Fantastic. Okay, Miss. So today is your interview. So, okay. So can you tell me about yourself?
Good evening, sir. My name is Amit Kumar. I live in Narnaul, but currently I live in Gurgaon. I have completed my BTech from Punjab Engineering College, with my aggregate score is 80, 84%. And talking about my technical skills are including core Java, Jira, Git, and manual testing. That's all about me.
Very good. Very good. Nice. Very nice. Okay, Amit. So let's we are moving for the first question, first interview question. So right now we can start from the manual testing and Jira and Agile. Everything will be involved. So first of all, my question to you, like why manual testing we are doing in a software industry? Like if you are not doing manual testing, then what will happen?
Sir, manual testing is first of all, manual testing is cheaper than automation testing, and some and some cases mm, manual. For example, a website where captcha code, so we can't solve.
Automated. We
Yes,
call it
sir, right.
automated. We
Automated,
call it automated. Yeah.
automated. It's automated by it's solved by
Manual testing.
manual
Manual
testing,
testing.
sir.
So that means manual testing involve all kinds of the testing. We can do the in a manual testing. Generally, we can do the all kinds of the testing,
Yes, sir.
right?
Right, sir.
That's why, and also it is a cheaper. You said right. Okay. So sometimes what is the fault and what is the defect and what is the bug like that, and who will do the mistake like that. Then why you are coming the bug? Tell me about the bug and defect, like why it's come.
Sir, by the developer mistakes, so we find the error, and in testing in case,
Uh,
so uh, we find bugs, sir.
Bugs means that means if developer will do the mistake, then we find the bug and defect, right?
Right, sir.
In any means you are saying if any kind of the mistake is done by the developer, it will generate the nothing but the defect and bug, right?
Right, sir.
But if you are QA, any QA is doing the mistake, any kind of the mistake, that will generate the nothing but the failure, right? We can say. Okay, got it. Okay, so why we are doing the sanity testing? No, let me the first tell me the why we are doing the smoke testing.
Smoke testing, we use to stable the first of all, uh, sanity testing uh, performed earlier in the development process, and
Not sanity, not smoke. Smoke is performed the
smoke
earlier. Smoke is
earlier. Yes,
performed.
yes,
Yeah,
right, sir.
smoke is performed earlier. After
So
that, with sanity will start. But
yes, sir.
generally, what is the purpose of the? I mean, what is the our purpose of the smoke testing? What like we are doing the smoke testing with the unstable build or stable build?
Sir, unstable wield.
Unstable build. That's the things I
Then
wanted to know. Yeah.
then
Then
then we use smoke testing.
smoke testing means you are saying until and unless we do not have until and unless if we have a stable build, then we are not jumping to the sanity environment, right?
Right, sir.
Means means what whenever we have an unstable build, then we have to start the smoke testing, and until and unless we are not jumping, to the like a sanity testing when it's become a like stable bit, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, fine. Means sanity testing always doing with the stable build, and smoke testing always doing with the unstable build, right?
Right, sir. Sir,
Okay.
and I add a point in sanity.
Hmm.
When a functionality add in a in a application, so we checked the added functionality is uh, not affected in previous functionality and don't create bugs.
Yeah, right, exactly. So okay, so what would be the like regression testing? We can say
Uh,
regression testing. When we do the regression testing, so
Sir,
it is a kind of a small testing, or it is a kind of covering the all the scenario. What kind of the things?
sir, all type of uh, oral oral
Overall testing.
orals. Right,
Overall,
sir.
all the testing, all the means you are saying means it covers the all the test cases and all the functionality and
Sir.
all the user interface, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. So generally in like in a regression testing, right? If we are doing the regression testing, so we are like testing the only updated functionality or impacted functionality both. What we are testing in a regression testing? Tell me.
Uh, Sir,
In a
sir,
regression testing, generally we are doing the testing, but in a regression testing, we are testing the current functionality as we are testing current functionality, or we are also testing the like impacted functionality as well.
sir, impacted functionality, sir.
Fantastic. That's the thing I wanted to know. Fantastic. I mean, very good, very good. Means we can say the regression testing is a kind of a testing. It so while doing the testing, so we have to test the current functionality, current UI, whatever the thing is going, and also we have to test the whatever the impact area over there. That the things also we have to test, right?
Right, sir.
Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, so okay, let's move to the another question, Amit. Okay, so what is the like we can say priority of the bug?
Purity of the bug.
Like, and what is the type? Like, what is the type? We can say like types. Tell me the types of the priority
Uh,
bug and what is the types? Its types.
Sir, high priority, low
Ah,
priority,
medium priority,
medium
right?
priority. Right.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. So when we have to like when we have to define the bug, this is a bug like a high priority.
Sir.
When the situation when it will come, can you tell me the any example? High priority bug
Yes, sir. Sir, when a website is not opened, means blogger.
means
Open.
blocker. Okay. So what is the severity in the software terminology in a software testing? Tell me the severity types. What is the severity types and what is the severity?
At point, sir, I don't remember, sir.
Okay, okay, not an issue. Means severity means however we have a bug, however it is impacting to the our functionality and our like in our software. That is called the severity of the bug. And priority means simple. We can say how much priority is giving to the bug and when we are going to the fix it, right? So
Right, sir.
suppose that. So can you tell me the high severity and high uh, priority scenario in the like in the software industry? Can you tell me the high priority and high severity scenario? Do you know about
Uh,
that?
yes, sir. Sir, when we go to a online
Okay.
payment, sir,
Hmm.
online payment and
Yeah.
payment
Hmm.
are not successfully, and but
Payment
payment detected by our account and not properly way, sir.
not
Means
properly means okay, right, means we once we are going to the payment page, then we are unable to pay, right, by using the credit card or your wallet or debit card, anything or net banking right there. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, got it. And another way, and one more example is there. You can say like that's unable to log in the application in the any application. That may be also the high severity and high priority of the work, right? Okay,
Right.
Okay, fine. So, okay, we are moving to the next question to you. So, can you tell me the what is the bug life cycle and what is the different phases? Only different phases. Tell me, what is the different phases? Is there?
Bug like cycle. Um,
Yeah, different phases. Any different phases or any phases? Do you know about it? Bug life
uh,
cycle. Any phases?
yes, sir. Means yeah, implementation, business analysis, and
Now, this is a defect life cycle. This is a STLC. Sorry, this is not bug life cycle, but this is a STLC. If we are talking about the bug life cycle, then there are so many several phases is there. Like we can say this is there starting from the new, assign, open like that. There are once you
open.
find the any bug, hmm,
Okay, sir.
once you
Sir,
find the
new, assigned,
hmm, hmm,
opened, fixed,
hmm,
pending,
hmm.
reset, and reset, sir.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
type is a
That means you can say once you find the new bug, so you have to assign to the development team, right? And after
the
that,
right.
after that, once assign to the development team, then development team has to fix it, right? After fixing it, again development team assigned to you. Then you have to test it. If anything you find, then you have to reopen. Again assign to the development team, right? So these are the things is called the bug life cycle, right? These are the things called the bug life cycle. Okay, so what is the SDLC? Tell me the different phases of the SDLC.
Uh, SDLC, sir. SDLC
SDLC
is software development life cycle,
life
sir.
cycle.
Uh,
Yes, yes, yes.
yes, sir. Firstly, sir, requirements.
Requirement
The,
analysis.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
And dip,
After that, software
after that,
design.
software designing and
Then
planning
so-
and
software
uh,
coding.
yes, sir, coding
Software
and
coding. Then
develop developer and testing
then testing. Then
and
testing.
testing
After that,
and deployment, sir.
deployment, and after that maintenance. Okay.
Maintenance, sir.
So okay. So in a requirement and analysis, who will do the requirement? Tester or
Sir,
developer or business analyst? Who will do?
business analyst and BA.
Very good. Very good. Means business analyst have a responsibility to do the requirement and gathering to gathering the requirement, right, from the client side, and it will distribute all the requirement and knowledge among to the developer and parallel to the tester, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So let's move to the another question. One more question is there. So suppose if any suppose if any member is there like a QA members. So when it's got built from the development team and he's find the bug, right? So he's find the bug and then that bug. So that times he has to assign the bug to the development team, or he has to assign that bug to the business analyst or any manager or like that. Uh,
Sir,
whom you have to assign to whom? Tell me.
assigned to the developer, sir.
Developer means respected developer, right?
Respected. Right,
Okay,
sir.
so whatever the user story you are testing, right?
Right,
While
sir.
testing the user story, whatever the developer is there, so you have to assign the bug that respected developer, whatever the developer has worked with your user story, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, so fantastic. So let's move to the another question. So to you, my another question is, so can you tell me what is the alpha testing?
Yes, sir. Alpha testing is a type of testing which performed by the developer या फिर inside the company employer.
Exactly, Sam. Exactly, Sam. And okay, fine. So, if this alpha testing is generally due by you are saying by the internal organization, right?
Internal organization, right, sir.
Internal organization. That means, so what would be the beta testing? If alpha testing is doing by the internal organization, then what would be the beta testing?
Beta testing means real users,
Okay,
real users testings.
real user set testing means you are means that means you can say that beta testing is generally done by the our end user or our real user, right?
Yes,
When
sir.
the
Real users.
real user. Okay, got it. So that means we can say like that. We can say like that. This is a kind of a testing is generally done by the our end user. Once the code goes in a production environment, then generally it will start the testing like of it will start the testing by the our end user or real user, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, fantastic. So okay, let me move to the another question, Amit. Okay, so my another question is, tell me, so like what is the like we can say like what is the load, what is the performance testing? First of all, tell me, what is the performance testing?
Performance testing means that
Hmm.
uh,
Performance means it will like it will the testing kinds of functional or non-functional. What
non,
kinds of
sir, non-functional testing.
non-functional testing? Exactly, exactly. So tell me the any name of the performance testing. Tell me the any name of the performance testing. Any name. Tell me. Like performance testing means what we are testing. We are well, like we are testing like load of the application or stress of the application, volume of the application. What we are testing?
Sir, load and stressed.
Load stress, right?
Stress testing. Sir,
Load stress. Okay.
sir, when a website make 1,000 people
Hmm.
and uh, uh, uh,
Means once the website is suppose is created, like once the website is built from the development team and the from the like testing team, like that all the teams is as working together to build the website, to create the website, right? So
right,
it is generally suppose that its website is generally uh, targeted user, whatever the targeted user, like suppose it's website created through the like the for the 5,000 people, right?
right,
Suppose the load capacity will be the like 5,000. Then if we are doing the load, if we are doing the capacity of the load till 5,000 to the website, that is called the load testing and stress testing.
sir, load testing, sir.
Load testing. Okay. But we are like we are applying the more than the expected user, like more than the 5,000 user by more than the expected user. Then
So,
this type of testing
sir, testing, sir.
is stress testing. Once you apply the load more than the capacity, that is called the stress testing. But sometimes you need to test the not the load, not the stress, but kind of the data you have to test like that. You have to test the memory of the data. You have to test the like five 500 5,000 GB is there storage area, but you have to test the database more than you are providing the data, more than information you are storing the data, like more than capacity, more than 5,000 GB. Then that type of testing you have to say is called
Sir,
generally. What is the like volume of the data you are storing in the database? That after this type of testing generally you call in a load testing, in a performance testing. What you say like the volume
volume testing.
volume testing. What is the volume testing, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's move to the another question. So my another question is to you, like suppose that if any bug is there, any bug is there, and that bug is a like something like a spelling mistake in about us or any other like any other area. So what would be the priority and severity for that? Like
Uh,
minor,
sir,
minor
low priority, sir.
low priority
Yes, sir.
and low severity,
Low,
you can
low
say.
severity, sir.
Okay, okay, fine.
Sir,
So it is
spelling mistake or a little bit design alphabetic or numerical mistakes. So these are
comes
low
under the
priority
low priority and
and
low
low
severity.
severity.
Okay, there are like we can say the kinds of four types is there. High priority. high severity, low priority, low severity, high priority, low severity, low priority, high severity, right?
Right, right, sir.
These are the four things is there, right? Four kinds of cheese, four kinds are there. Okay, not an issue. Okay, fine. So we'll move for the other question. Let me open the other question. So my other question to you, like, what is the like agile testing? Why, why we work with in agile testing? What is the means of the agile testing? Already we had so many models is there, you know about that. So, also before the agile testing, can you tell me the different model of the software testing? What is the different model? Tell me.
uh, Waterfall model,
Okay. Spiral,
spiral
mm,
iteration model, V
iteration,
model,
V model.
uh, right, sir, and RAD.
RAD model, so many model, prototype model also is there. Okay,
Yes.
so many models is there. So already we have in a software industry, so many models is there. So what is the need of the like agile methodology? What is the need of the agile? Why agile comes to the picture? Why agile comes to the
Sir,
market?
sir, mainly focused for client requirement. Basically,
Okay,
clients basically clients change requirements and change add and added the functionality. So others model can't be handled type of situations. So
in
so
any other phase, right?
yeah, any other phase,
Other
sir.
phase
So so
means okay.
so then agile methodology is is best for every condition and best for client requirements.
Exactly, exactly. Means in agile methodology, there are easily welcome to the change in a requirement from the client side, right?
Right.
Okay. That means if you are generally if we are working with the software, we are developing with the software. So once we are like in any phase is developing, that times if a requirement is comes to the change, then agile will ready for change it, right? On any phase of the like might be that we are developing of the software, or like we are designing of the software, or testing of the software, or deployment of the software, or maintenance of the software. So many phases is there, but on the any phases, if change requirement come from the client side, then we are ready to work with the agile methodology, right? That's why agile comes to the picture, right?
Right.
Okay, fantastic. So, what is the different approaches or different discipline or different principle of the agile? Do you know about that? What is the different principle in agile? It,
Yes,
different
sir.
approaches in agile. Tell me the approaches or
uh,
principles.
Sir, scrum master, sprint, sir,
Hmm.
these are type in the agile methodology, sir.
Hmm. Means Scrum Master, Sprint, daily stand-up meeting. These are the
Daily
things, right?
stand up, right, sir.
Okay. So, what we do in a daily stand-up meeting?
uh, Daily stand up meeting in discuss about today work and previous work. So any doubt, any difficulty, so discuss to each other in a group.
Exactly. 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 That means simple, the Scrum Master have a responsibility to discuss the progress of the project. So everyone have to answer in that meeting, like what we did yesterday and what we are going to do today, like that, right? In
Right.
this manner. Okay, fine. So can you heard about the like what is the sprint planning or what is the sprint retrospective meeting like that? Do you know about it?
Yes, sir. So basically sprint mainly mainly 2 weeks,
Hmm.
and uh,
Not 2 weeks, but it might be 1 week as well, right? I mean,
yes, sir.
or two
uh,
weeks, one month as well, right?
right, sir. The main purpose of sprint to product increment or to make specific and planned progress against the product goal.
Goal,
So,
yeah,
so
exactly. Then sprint means uh, times of deadline. The deadline is there. The within the deadline, we have to deliver the we have to deliver the completed task to the client, right?
right,
Whatever
sir.
the target is there, so we have to deliver the targeted task within the deadline, means end of the sprint, right?
Right, sir.
That's why
And
we have a sprint.
and is and sprint retrospective is the last event in the sprint.
Hmm.
Uh,
So generally, what we are doing in a sprint perspective
so, in the improvement,
means
im-
we are measuring the measuring the improvement, right?
right, sir, improvement.
Means what went well and what we have to improve in the next sprint, like that.
Next,
Okay.
right, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic, Amit. Okay. Okay. Let's me move to the another question. So, do you know about the Jira? What is the Jira tool? And there are so many project management tools. That so why Jira is popular? And what is the role of the Jira? Why you are using your Jira? Tell me.
So, Jira is a project tracking tool.
Yeah.
So in this tool, we have uh, the, team project teams, sir, means developer and
Tester, business
tester,
analyst, all.
business
Hmm,
analyst,
hmm,
all are in a team, sir. So
hmm.
any bug, any issues, so we take we take ticketing, we raising ticket, sir. Any
We raise the ticket. Okay.
tickets,
If anything, any bug is found by the testing team, then that team's assigned to the developer and raise the bug into the Jira tool, right?
right, sir.
So Jira means you are saying Jira is a project management tool, kinds of, and it is using in a software development, right?
Right, sir.
For the it's assigned to the development team, and once it's completing the we can say the kinds of the development, then it's assigned to the again to the testing team, right? If
Right, sir.
testing found any bug, then assigned to the. So there are many things is there, we can say kinds of, we can say there are the assign status, there are the status of, there are the status, and there are we can say kinds of priority severity field is there, and there are description there, there are title is there, what we are writing to the title, there are story option is there, there are epic option is there. So many option is there, right?
Right, sir.
So in a Jira, we can say uh, in a Jira, we can say the business analyst business analyst work with the Jira, he's writing the user story, right? And after that, it's assigned to the development team, assigned to the development team, assigned to the parallel testing team, right?
Right, sir.
So that means Jira is a complete handling the project is nothing but it is a project management tool kind of, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Fine, Amit. So let's move to the another question. Okay, so my another question is, what is the difference between the verification and validation in a software testing? So do you know about the verification? Why we are doing the verification?
Yes, sir. Sir, verification is 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 implementation phase, sir, where is no coding and
Exactly.
right, sir. Uh,
And validation?
and validation is a coding part and a testing part, sir.
Exactly, exactly. Coding part and testing part means we can say program execution involved in a verification or validation.
Sir,
Program
repeat.
execution. Program,
Execution,
execution involved.
execution, execution also, so, sir. Validation, sir.
Validation, validation. Fantastic. I mean, that's the thing I wanted to know. Very good, very good. So, what would be the statics testing and dynamics testing?
Sir, statistics means also known as uh, verification, and dynamic testing also known as validation, sir.
Fantastic, fantastic. Very good, Amit. Fantastic. Means we are saying that means what? That means like verification is the kind of the statics testing. Generally, it's involve the coding part, but not execution, right? It involves the coding, just coding, but not execution part. right? We can say. So generally we are doing the code inspection, code review, walkthrough of the code, right?
Right.
So these are the things before running of the program. Generally, we are doing in a verification. But after doing these are the things, then it start the picture of the validation. Means what? Generally, we are doing the functional testing, black box testing. This is the kinds of the validation, and also we are running the program in a validation. In its kinds of the dynamics testing. These are the overall concept of the verification and validation, right? So okay, let's move to the next question. So what is the integration testing? Do you know about the integration testing in a software?
Yes, sir. Sir, integration testing is the second level of testing. Integration testing means
Hmm.
more than one module testing simultaneously. For example, uh, we have one API and second is user interface. So
Exactly.
both are testing simultaneously by the developer or tester. So
Fantastic. Very good. That means in an integration testing, generally we are doing the more than one module simultaneously, right?
yes, right.
So okay, okay, got it. So what would be the like system testing? Can you tell
Uh,
me about the what would be the system testing?
yes, sir. System testing. We do the complete testing into end-to-end testing, but
Hmm.
individual module of the system. Uh,
Exactly, exact
uh,
individual module of the
it
system.
done by the tester.
Tester, exactly. We have okay. Fantastic, fantastic. Very good, Amit. Okay. Generally, in a system testing, we have to do the like individual component of the testing, individual module of the testing, and we have to cover all the modules in this testing. Means it is a kinds of complete testing of the software, right? That
Right,
is
sir.
called the system testing. End-to-end testing also is called the system testing. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic, Amit. So, can you tell me the what is the like a positive testing and what is the negative testing? Can you tell me the scenario like that?
Yes, sir. Sir, when a login login page and uh, correct email and correct password, so
Hmm.
that is positive case. And
Hmm.
when incorrect data, so
Hmm.
that is
That
negative.
is called the fantastic. Very good. That means what? Once we are using the like we can say the valid input, we are using the testing. We are doing the testing with the valid input. That is called the like positive testing. But once we are using the invalid input in a doing testing in our testing, that is called the negative testing, right?
Right, sir.
Got it. Fantastic, Amit. Fantastic. Very good. Okay. Okay. So let's move to the another question. So can you tell me the what is the difference between like white box testing and black box testing?
Yes, sir. Black. So, firstly, discuss whiteboard texting. Whiteboard texting is type of testing where internal structure
Hmm.
or means code are visible, and
Hmm.
and and it done by the developer. and
Hmm.
uh, and blackboard testing is type of testing where know about it coding and internal structure designing.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's
Exactly.
called
Exactly.
black testing, sir.
Is black
And
box testing.
it done
Generally,
by the uh, QA tester.
QA tester means two differences there. Okay. Already okay. You spoke about the two difference. First difference is there. So like we can say the white box testing it generally is done by the developer and black box testing generally done by the tester. QA.
Test.
QA tester. And second difference is there in a white box testing. They are looking the code, right? They are looking the code while doing the testing. But in a black box testing, we are unable to see the code, right? We are doing the like functionality testing, but we are not looking the code, right? That is the main difference you are already explained. Okay, thank you so much. So last question is there. So I mean, so it might be out of the syllabus, might be. So generally, the automation popular, right, nowadays. So So what would be the we can say the major difference in automation and like in manual testing? So this is the last question. If you know, you can answer on it. Like why you are doing the automation and
So
uh,
automation testing is very very fast testing
hmm,
and human and we in automation testing we write a test script test
hmm,
script and 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 they run when write a test script a
hmm,
particular application,
hmm,
then they run continuously uh,
hmm. Without
24
human
into 7.
intervention.
Yes sir.
24 into 7 without human intervention, right?
Right sir.
Means you can means got it. Very good. I mean, so that means automation testing prevent the manual intervention, right? Is kind of,
Yes sir.
and it's provide the we can say the reusability kind of the things.
Yes
Means manual testing you have to do again and again to find the bug. But in automation testing, once you write the automation code and you have to run the only automation code, do not need to do not need to do the manual testing again and again to find the bug, to know the what to know the bug of the functionality bug in the software, right?
right sir.
So that is the major difference. Okay, very good, Amit, and thank you so much, Amit, for joining us. And one more times, right now you got a job in a like Cafe Gemini, that
Yes
is
sir.
a multinational company. And one more times, I'm giving to the congratulations, right? And
Thank you sir.
right, I know you are a fresher and you have a good knowledge as a fresher. So many questions I have asked you as experience basis, like 1 year or 2 years experience, but you given the exactly the expected answer. I got the expected answer from your side, so I'm very happy with that. And many congratulations to you, Amit, and we'll meet soon, right?
Thank you
Thank you
sir.
so much for joining us, Amit. Okay.
Okay. Okay sir. Thank you.